But what I know is 2029, when we come to power, all those things they are going to do, we will undo them. We will do it. And if our party at that time is not willing to do it, we will force them out ourselves. Because we have learned a lesson. The very people who went to see Nana Akufo-Addo knelt down before him, that forgive us, don't disgrace us, forgive us, don't disgrace us, are the same people today who are hunting after appointees of Nana Akufo-Addo. I'm not saying, say, Obi Adia, law shouldn't deal with the person. But what I'm saying is, at least for the sake of what Nana Akufo-Addo did to save the image of John Mahama himself, and many of the others, Collins Dauda could have been jailed long ago. Ato Forsen could have been jailed. But our people went to plead on his behalf, even before the Attorney General. Right? But these are the individuals today who are doing everything within their power to ensure, say, MPP becomes so unpopular and that people who have served this nation relentlessly over the past 8 years are put behind bars. Because number one, they have a military background, the same ideology, just a different name, the same PNDC way of doing things, lower communist tactics warfare. That's what they are doing with us. The Attorney General, Ghana, we have grown our politics to the place where people no longer have shame. That's what I've seen. People have become so shameless. That is why this very Attorney General can come, Dr. Anyino come and tell us that he is prosecuting somebody. When you came and you became a clearing agent, issues that were discussed in court, defendant has presented his case, prosecutor has presented his case. Now, such issues you have come to discontinue. And you are telling me today that somebody has stolen $7 million, want to go and prosecute a person. Come on, we were all here when Collins Dauda made away with $200 million US. Even him, he's still sitting in parliament. We know some payments were made.
And I say, one NDC idea because the other Ibrahim Ahmad or Trenino, or we are, one who's NDC for a Jimmy for Dawson, and it will be Cassia Dunkatiamu, not to know near Ibrahim Susasabi so. Idea strategy yourself, I don't know. It you do a idea, no one set it cool, no one more, you are not betuno, no one bet so. Me say, and can the military for be free apa? Me say, your mama can bet send your chair free falum. Can bet send your chair free falum. No only your mama there, and can crank crap and memon killing snopa, Sandia no de ye, at the Kitwana Bohono, Anuku Kruko, or the young crank running your ma bosheno. Could you make the fans? Now when you're T-bone cost of war. The empty coconut, no more social media, no more the platforms, so no more yedidi. Me say, Sabre say, we MPP ni, fellas, me say, me don't feel this waka. So MPP ni, now but sa up so, now be ye, and Canadian ebo, and a Bohemian ebo, me ma be so life on a similar ye war, what was your 40 and benu or more class or more. Because your mama said, Ghana no award when your opportunity are no other so life, and a Canadian ever 2028, and a high and a Bohemian ever. Nasa will do no catch you say, Mema. Nafe, wow, Casa, Wasa, and Quasiadiana, social media. Nafe, what do you so? Now the Confucians are the two party anymore. And I may say, Savio, Jeffke, and running favor will be because I foco, and you could beg upon Yemi Yakin. And found any pacro was so yes was send ya party nimu. Mumma running your drum because they do be a Yebisian answer. John Mahama be a pave not to Amaye. A trocan wo Bruno or Nimudia or yet because if you change that to baby, Ibrahim Newosika or Baby Sisters no aje, not for their harm or no Jim Husika Gunubutum. Message of Mahama George Yapano. Media, minim say, as someone make can high. Because the America be a media mechanic, the Amazon, na politics. And the idea mechanic be a yanko ponso tamachi, me cancel a bebum. John Mahama Dipia was she piano, the Ghana for me and Yanaho. Nasa Yahon Yama, Galam Seno, would ya wa penno, would ya coho, Melly for no dear Mabano, or one so mumra, no me kunkumo. And it is our crano, Galam stop us and one crank, soldier for quick crack, a truck as AK-47 and crying to me, and I don't mean you so more. Now, cry away, I hope when you more as attacking. we one bet my fight galamsey because obi sika dia momo communications can e twa to no or betete dia man MPP for a NDC for a bogus a for no more dini free abusuafo Ghana ni bia Ghana wo de emfa so to abeti MPP di o mane kono senya solitina mo nyina mo nka mo mom so o mani nyina hye kokko no o mani nyina UN for bebam abehwa de kronti ade ne koso a aye he sa on bebam omo bam wana mo de petition mo say akwa we ye hia no boriga confirm ye hia no because me say nordiness omo ba politically na ni nyina mu no ba wo miankwa ne nim nyansa omo mo ka ni nyina ye ntebe nko a medam ase
We not necessarily be all with some here talk.
DK.
oh bro
So John Mahama no, say he has not changed a bit. That if not even worse. But one thing he has been able to do over the past 8 years, he has learned how to become a worse version of himself, but disguised to be the Messiah. And John Mahama is just like Anas Ameria or Anas, changing his looks to fit whatever occasion it is. Say, court now catch them say he cannot come with a mask or a silicone. That is what John Mahama is doing. Then say this man from the very onset, NDC4 can present to us as Ghanaians that we will even have time to listen to him. But I don't know, maybe somebody laid a curse on us as Ghanaians and he has been able to still caught the sympathy of Ghanaians. That notwithstanding, the first 70 plus days of John Mahama in power have revealed what we can say are his true intent. And that intention, and say they want to hijack the resources of this nation, especially when it comes to our gold. They want to hijack it. Because I'm not sure if we even have diamond in a great capacity in Ghana. The wealthiest mineral we have so far is gold. And as you know, research has shown that Ghana still has, 12 trillion worth of gold that we have not tapped yet.
Oh, we haven't tapped.
Yeah, 12 trillion US dollars worth of gold, untapped. So, John Mahama knowing this very well, 12 trillion. Okay, onyambe 1 billion Bikrama Ibrahim Mahama, he sorted out. So, that is why you see the kind of investment they invested into the NDC campaign. Because they knew that in the end, what they will get from it is far, far, far more. And we are at the place where they will get it for some time. They have the numbers in parliament. They are going to pass the gold board bill. Today, parliament was discussing it. They're going to pass it. So at least for the next 3 years, Ibrahim Mahama is going to benefit.